Hello and welcome to Z Commodity Capsule. Let's start with gold prices, which are hovering close to 3-week high in international as well as domestic markets. In international markets, on COMEX gold December delivery, gold prices are trading steady close to $34.50 an ounce, which happens to be relatively 50 or 60 odd dollars away from its recent all-time highs. We have seen that markets awaited US economic data, which is due this week, which could help shed some light on Federal Reserve's interest rate trajectory. Yes, we are talking about the preferred inflation measure for US Fed, that's personal consumption expenditure, which is scheduled for Friday. Along with this, markets are anticipating an over 88% chance of 25 basis point rate cut at the Fed's policy meeting next month. Oil prices, meanwhile, fell on Thursday after US data showed a slightly sharper than expected drop in crude inventories, while the investors weighed the impact of additional US tariff against India, which came into effect a day earlier. Brent crude prices are hovering below $67 a barrel, while WTI crude declined to $63.5 per barrel. Markets will also be cautiously watching the Russian oil flows to India closely going forward to gauge the impact. Copper on LME held steady on Wednesday as signs of improving profitability among China's industrial firms outweighed the pressure from a stronger US dollar. 3-month copper on LME is edged slightly higher but below $9,800 per metric ton. Profits at China's industrial firms declined by nearly 1.5% in July YoY, making a notable improvement from 4.3% slump which was recorded in the month of June. Dollar index also is holding steady just above 98 mark after 2 consecutive days of decline, which is creating some cap for the red metal. Rising inventories in LME registered warehouse also weighed, increasing by nearly 1,100 tons. Iron ore futures future prices ticked up higher on Thursday, aided by resilient demand and the anticipation of a wave of restocking from the steel makers after China's military parade, although lingering concerns over steel consumption capped gains. Arabica coffee is where you need to keep your eye on because it's trading very close to $4 per pound mark, which happens to be its highest level since mid-May. Meanwhile, Robusta coffee futures settled 4% higher in the previous trading session, close to $4,900 a metric ton, which also happens to be a 3-month high.